In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Dropbox folder icon from your File Explorer. If you've been looking at your File Explorer and wondering how to tidy it up by getting rid of that persistent Dropbox icon, you've come to the right place. Now, before we dive into the solution, it's important to clarify that this approach applies specifically to the desktop application of Dropbox. This means if you're using the desktop version, you might have noticed that a Dropbox icon finds its way into your File Explorer, which can be a bit annoying if you're aiming for a cleaner look or trying to simplify your navigation. So, let's get started on how to remove that pesky icon. The solution is surprisingly simple, yet very effective. The only valid and straightforward method I've found is to uninstall the Dropbox application itself. It may sound drastic, but bear with me. This step will remove the icon from your File Explorer, decluttering your view and giving you the neat appearance you desire. To begin this process, you'll want to head to your Control Panel. From there, you'll see a list of all the installed applications on your computer. Now, scroll through this list until you find Dropbox. Once you locate it, you're going to want to double-click on it. At this point, a prompt will appear on your screen asking for confirmation to uninstall. Go ahead and hit Yes. By confirming, you're initiating the uninstallation process. After clicking Uninstall, you'll notice that the Dropbox icon is finally removed from your File Explorer, just like that. And there you have it. Your File Explorer is now free from the Dropbox folder icon, and you're one step closer to having an organized desktop environment that works for you. Now, while it might seem like a simple task that involves just a few clicks, removing an app can sometimes bring unexpected results. Make sure you've backed up your data if you rely heavily on Dropbox before you do this. As always, it's better to be prepared. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If tackling such tech tasks excites you, or maybe you've got even more on your list you'd like us to cover, be sure to let us know. And while you're here, please make sure to hit the like button, share this video with anyone you think might benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks that help make your tech life easier. Your support fuels us to continue bringing you quality content. Until next time, thank you for watching and have a great day.